Hi everyone! Welcome back to Glow Recipe. Today we're going to be talking about a skin concern that we've been dealing with, and you probably have been too, especially if you're wearing a face covering or mask every single day. If you're breaking out around the part of your face that is covered by your face mask, then you probably already know what we'll be talking about, and that's maskne.
Mask acne, or what we're calling maskne, is caused by a combination of constantly wearing masks and also stress-induced hormones that can cause acne. Because we're wearing masks every day, these breakouts can be hard to get rid of, and coupled with the fact that it's now summer, this can also exacerbate the problem. So here are some tips on how to deal with maskne.
Mask acne isn't your typical acne that's caused by hormones or genetics. That's called acne vulgaris, which is the most common type of breakout. Mask acne, on the other hand, is a form of acne mechanica, which is caused by too much pressure or rubbing your skin.
In some ways, acne that is caused by friction this way can be worse than acne vulgaris because it damages the skin barrier. And as we all know, a damaged skin barrier can lead to other things like inflammation, irritation, and dryness.
Because we're in the middle of summer, our face masks can trap in hot air and can get a little sweaty too. If you're not cleaning or changing out your mask often, then it can actually harbor bacteria, which can contribute to your breakouts. So now that we know what causes maskne, let's talk about how we can treat it.
As we now know that maskne is your typical acne combined with friction damaging the skin, your course of treatment should include elements that support the skin barrier as well. For starters, wash your face and exfoliate with the right products. We love using chemical exfoliants such as AHAs, which can help to gently retexturize the skin. Our Blueberry Bounce Cleanser is a gentle cleanser that can help refresh the skin and also gently exfoliate without stripping the skin, as it has a very optimized amount of AHAs.
You can also use an exfoliating treatment like the Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner and Spot Treat, breakout prone areas around your mouth, your nose, and chin. Our toner has pore-clearing BHA, hyaluronic acid, and cactus water to hydrate the skin, which are all important ingredients to keep the skin barrier strong.
If you're already breakout prone or have really stubborn breakouts, you can really benefit from a retinol in your routine. If you want more information on how retinol works, you can check out our other retinol videos. But to give you a quick summary, retinol helps to rev up skin cell turnover, meaning that it will help rejuvenate the skin and also heal breakouts faster.
We included an effective yet extra gentle encapsulated retinol in our Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So try using it a few times a week to treat your maskne and also to prevent more from forming. And while using a product with retinol can really help prevent breakouts from forming, there are also a few other steps that you can take to prevent maskne from forming as well.
In addition to cleansing before bedtime, try washing your face as soon as you get home and can get your mask off. Then apply a lightweight oil-free moisturizer to the skin. We formulated the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer with combo skin in mind so that it doesn't exacerbate breakouts. It's also made with soothing watermelon extracts and other botanical extracts to really help cool and calm the skin, and is a delicious skin treat to use after you've been out in the heat.
Another tip is to opt for cotton masks. Cotton is a breathable fabric that's easier to wash at home with a gentle detergent. You should also consider skipping the makeup as well, because it could potentially clog your pores. So focus on skincare, such as applying your moisturizer before wearing your face mask, and this will really help protect the skin barrier as well. And if you're out and removing your masks often to do things like eat and drink, try spritzing the Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist on your face to keep your skin's moisture levels steady. This is another tip to keep your skin's barrier healthy.
Maskne can be frustrating, but with a combination of treatment and prevention, you can keep your skin healthy and breakout free.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!